Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add the reference to the LaTeX document. So, we are in the Overleaf user interface. So first, let's click on the New Project. This will open the several options. I will click on the blank project, and I will give the name how to add references to the LaTeX document. Create. This will create the LaTeX file that is main.exe, which contain the LaTeX codes. And that gets compiled and present as a PDF document, as you can see on your screen. Now to put the reference in your paragraph, suppose here in the introduction section. I will paste some dummy sentences where we are going to apply the references. So to add the references, first you have to make the file. So first you have to click the new file, and I giving the name ref. So the reference file should have the extension .bib and create. So it will create the new bib file under the file tree. Now whatever the reference we are going to add, that all references will go under this file, and that will be accessed in the main text. So first let's take the example. In the Google Scholar, I have opened one reference. So this is the article. So first you have to click the site, where at the last you can see the BIB text. If you click the BIB text, this will give you the text that you have to copy entire text as it is. Control-C, then copy in the BIB file. Then Control-S, now come to the main text. Now suppose this is our first reference. So here we are going to apply. So before putting the reference first, you have to give the code for the bibliography. So bibliography, and it will automatically detect your file name. So we have given the ref.bib. So it is automatically suggesting ref, and the file type is bib, so we will just click this one. Automatically it will insert. Then we have to type bibliography style. So here I am using unsorted. Unsorted type. So here our bibliography section is created. So here you can see the reference text is inserted. Now suppose this is my first reference, so what I will do /site, I will click. Now from the bib file, it will automatically suggest your first reference is Peterson 2009. So I will click that one, I will just recompile, and you can see this is the first section. Reference number is inserted and entire reference is also listed in the reference section. Now let's add the second reference. So for the second reference, I'm clicking here. Same method, bib text file, copy entire text, come to the ref.bib file. Now it is suggesting two references, so in our bib file there is two references now I have. To choose this one word, 2007, then I will recompile. So automatically it inserted reference number. And its complete reference detail. Now let's take the third reference. So this is the third reference. Now let's copy this one. Again, open the .bib file. Control S. Let's go in the main text. /cite. This is the Farley 2021, that is the new reference we have added. We will compile. So here third reference is added, and that is the Farley. So this way you can easily add the references, and you do not have to worry about the numbering. It will automatically get changed based on your bibliography style. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.